Hi, I just came from shopping directly from the tree, carob tree. This is one of my favorite ingredients on my raw chocolates. And why? Because it's a natural snack bar. It has a lot of vitamins. Actually, that's why the Johannes from the Bible lived in the desert, because these are so nutritious. If you can get this, try to eat carefully, because inside there's a seed, and the seed can be very hard, but there you can grow more. I'm gonna go shopping more. Have a great day. Look how beautiful the nature is. We don't need else, nothing else.